Hello my friends and welcome to another Tuesday of tutorial. I am Leonardo Perez Nieto and today we will go over the blocking technique, and we will do this by drawing a Shar Pei puppy. Blocking in may be the best technique to begin a drawing, especially if you are copying it from life or from a reference picture. It consists of reducing your subject to simple shapes, a simplified outline. It is like drawing a rough envelope where you can fit your figure in. In fact, it is also called sometimes the envelope technique. Once the overall outline is done, we can now block in some internal shapes, like the ear and the legs of this puppy. Some of the reasons why this technique is so useful is that you can start rapidly and easily, while giving it the overall right proportions and placement. It is very disheartening to begin with something like an eye or the face, work on it for a long time, to then find out that it is in the wrong place or of the wrong proportion, and you have to erase it, having wasted so much. While with the blocking technique, you ensure you have the right proportions and the right placement right from the start. And then it is just a matter of coming back and adding in the minor shapes and all the detail. Like all these wrinkles, these lovely puppies look like they were given too large of flesh for their size. Okay, very good. I'm almost done drawing all the wrinkles. Let's go over the ear a little bit more and then we can begin shading. I'll try to shade it fairly rapidly, like a little bit sketchy. Let's make the eye, or the eyelid rather, more evident and darker. And then with the shading we can give shape to each wrinkle and feature and to the overall volumes. Their head is wide and squarish. I'm using the 2 to 3 mechanical pencil. The list of materials for this drawing is in the information below the video. I love drawing, and drawing something as cute as this, it's just so enjoyable. Alright. And the slip is very hangy. They are floppy and loose. Sometimes reference pictures don't have the best lighting, like in this case, and it is worthwhile to add more contrast, more definition, or more volume. You should always improve them, because art is better than a picture. We give it the last touches, the last details, and it's ready. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like, subscribe to Fine Art Tips, click on the little bell to get notifications of new videos, and I will see you on Tuesday.